Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fit and fine. In this video, we are going to discuss Chapter 3 Input and Output Device. In the previous class, we already learned about the parts of the computer. Let's revise once again. Let's start with this activity. Label the parts of the computer. You can look up the words given in the help box. So students, tell me, what is this? This is monitor. What is this? This is speakers. What is this? This is keyboard. What is this? This is mouse. What is this? This is printer. What is this? This is CPU. Now kids, tell me, how does a computer works? A computer works by three devices: input devices, processing devices, and output devices. These are called IPO cycle. These are called IPO cycle. Almost every machine that we use these days takes some material as input and gives the final product as output after processing the raw material. This mode of operation is known as IPO cycle, means input, process, output cycle. Kids, we can understand IPO cycle with a very easy example like photocopy machine. हम photocopy machine में plain paper as a input डालते हैं and printed paper हमको मिलता है as a output. This is the very basic example of input, process, output cycle. Taking the another example of microwave oven. In microwave oven, what we put in the microwave oven? We put food in it and give instruction to the oven by pressing the buttons given on its panel. So here the input is food. What does the microwave oven do to the food? It heats, cooks, grills or roasts. It's according to our instructions. So the process is heating or grilling or roasting. Similarly, computer works with our instructions. Now, what we get from microwave oven? We get cooked or hot or grilled or roasted food. So the output is hot, cooked or grilled or roasted food. Now, taking the example of rice. Rice is the input which we put into the microwave. What can he do? It do heating of rice. And what we get? We get hot rice. So here we learn input is the raw data and the instructions. Processing is the calculative done on the data, and output is the result obtained after process. Now, talking about mind enhance. Charles Babbage invented a machine, analytical machine engine that led to the idea of reading, storing data before processing, and that is why he is called the father of computers. All the machines invented before analytical engine could take input and produce output, but they could not store the data. Now we do checkmate. Write the input, process and output in the boxes for the following machine. What is this? This is a fridge. So input is water. Process is freezing of water. And output is cold water. Now, what is this? This is washing machine. Input is dirty cloth. Process is washing of clothes. And output is clean clothes. Now, computer follows the IPO cycle. Just like all other machines, a computer also follows the input, process, output cycle. Look at the following example. Input is instructions. What type of instruction? Adding data 3 and 4. And the process is done by CPU and adding the digit, and we get means output information is 7. This is a computer perform calculations. Now we give data and instructions to the computer, which is called input. The computer processes the data according to the instructions given by us. Finally, we get the information which is called the output. So, in the above example, we learn 3 and 4 is the data, means input is the instruction which constitutes the input. Addition is the process and 7 is the output. Therefore, we can say that a computer is an electronic device that accepts data and instructions, then processes it and ultimately gives an output. So, what we learn? Data and information. The data that we give to the computer are raw, facts and figures. In the above example, 3 and 4 is data. When the computer gives the output as 7, we call it information. Information is the result or process data. Okay, student? That's all for today class. We will meet you in next class. Thank you. Bye children.